So before we get started on the Ram Rebel, I do want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor. He's got a store on Amazon and his brand is 4x4 FLSTC. He's got some awesome products. Check him out. I'll put the link in the description. He hooked us up with these awesome fog lights for the GMC. Check this one out in action. They're super bright. I think they're like 4,800 lumens compared to the OEM halogen version. We're going to be able to see a whole lot better, and I really like the design and finish on them. These are the tinted ones, but you can also order the clear ones. So if you are interested, click the link in the description. Let's go ahead and get this one installed and bring that Rebel out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to start working on the 2019 Ram Rebel, and even though we haven't found all the parts, mainly that bed, I think I do have one sourced out. It's just 500 miles. We might go pick it up over the weekend, but we still got a lot of work ahead of us. We could take the old bed off and kind of start going through the frame, make sure we don't have to get any of that straightened up. And then we also got to get started on this pillar section right here. So we're pretty much going to jump inside, get all that interior apart, start taking this rear glass out, and it is starting to rain. So let's get the truck inside and get to work.
Oh yeah. Check for the wiring harness.
Gotta check on this rear window right here.
There we go.
Trim it out and stuff.
Oh yeah, from the looks of it, I do think the frame is perfectly straight. Just this one little bracket.
No, I got pushed over. If you look at it from back here, it got pushed
Oh
over.
really? See if you...
Might have to deflate the tires here for it to clear. That's about as high as I can go with it. What do you think? Deflate
Yeah,
the
didn't we
tires?
have to do that on the Dodge Ram? Pretty sure we had to. Can you not just pick it up on that side? Easy.
Gotta watch that rear window. Got a low rider in the back.
Oh yeah. Easy. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, go slowly. Keep going. All right, hold on. Keep going. Oh yeah, just like that, the bed is off. Dang. Dang, those headlights look sick.
Maybe we should have just went with the flatbed on this thing.
Now you're talking.
So check this out, guys. We got the bed off the Rebel. Kind of opened up the frame section a little bit more, and it's not too bad, honestly. Just kind of got pushed over from this point back like a banana, but we should be able to stick something in there and get all that straightened up once we get it on the frame rack. But tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and focus on this pillar. We're gonna jump inside, get the rear seats out, and start cutting this rear glass out. And hopefully there's not a lot of stress on it from the accident and we don't end up breaking it when we're cutting it out. that would be no bueno there. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to get this section right here repaired, and that'll be all the damage on the cab other than, you know, the front bumper. So we'll pick it back up tomorrow. So I got the rear seats out, got this back cover off, and now we have access to the window motor, which I'll go ahead and pop that off. But after that, I'm kind of stuck in a pickle. So the plan was to go ahead and use the equalizer to cut this rear glass out, but I can only fit the blade in on this edge and on that other side right there. As you can see, there is a track at the bottom and the top here for the window slide, which you can't really fit a blade in. And I had this problem on the purple Ram 2500. I tried to call somebody out. They're like 2 to 3 days out. I think we're gonna do what Goon Squad did on their Raptor and start off on this corner and try to feed a wire and do it by hand. But that does require 2 people. I'm just gonna have to wait for the bro to get home. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this pillar. And we do have a little bit more damage now that we got the bed off. And I'm still mind blown on how this rear glass survived. If you look right there, you can see on that seam, the metal just separated. We got mad lucky on it, and that's super awesome. But right now, let's go ahead and clean this paint off and put the maxi to work.
Ooh, check it out. Check out our little system here.
That's homemade right there. I did order a nice kit from eBay that's got some nicer handles and stuff, but we're just trying to get this out.
Think we got it?
Yes, sir. You see that string? That took about an hour.
What about the...
Oh yeah, I was supposed to take those already off. Dang it. Anyways, right now we're gonna go ahead and give this a little pull. This is a little bit too tough for the maxi. Well, it is possible, but it'll just take forever. There's really no access here from the inside. So let's go ahead and give this a shot and see how it goes. Maxi unit did an awesome job. Of course, after we used the frame post to pull out the major kink, it was just a breeze after that. And I did scar up the skin just a little bit, kind of ripped it apart. But but that's something I could just fix with the welder. Right now we're gonna go ahead and apply a very thin coat of body filler, get it in all the small pockets, and then we'll come back with some glazing and just block it all out.
Oh yeah, it sure does look good.
Yes sir, it'll be ready for primer tomorrow. So I got the body work done on the pillar. It's all nice and smooth, and we got the truck all taped up and ready to go. So let's go ahead and lay some primer down. We got the primer sanded, it's all nice and smooth. And then we also went ahead and sanded the pillar all the way down to the fender with the wet 1500. Same deal with the rocker, and it is pretty tricky right here since it is kind of two-tone. We're gonna go ahead and tape off this black, get some color on this right here, and then we'll untape it and just slick it all in together with clear. So let's go ahead and start by taping the truck up, and we'll just go from there. We have like 40 more miles left. The GMC is doing great, but I did get a check engine light. I wonder what that's about. Shoot, I gotta get over. Nice, we got the Audi Cayman clutch.
There's a middle lane to stay on I-70 East.
So we got the bed unloaded inside the carport. Me, Dad, and the bro just manhandled it, picked it up and put it on this box right here, which I probably need to look into getting like a bed dolly or a bed rack. But this right here will do the trick for right now. We have started on some of the fire damage. So this right here is pretty much ready for some primer. We have a little more cleanup on the inside, which we are gonna re-Raptor line and give it a fresh bed liner. But yeah, overall the bed is in pretty good shape. I think we have like one little damage over here on this side. Right there, something that we could take care of very easily. Right now I am just trying to get this tailgate to open. So as you guys know, on these newer trucks, the locks are electrical, and I've even tried backing the truck up and connecting the harness. It's still not wanting to unlock. The harness itself is in good shape, but I guess the locks might have got some fire damage. So what we're gonna do is use a Sawzall and just cut the studs right there on both sides. Get the tailgate off, get the emblem off, the tail lights, start stripping this thing down, and just start getting this thing ready for a new paint job. Hey guys, so that's a wrap for this episode. We got the damaged skin on the pillar repaired, and it turned out amazing. That's pretty much all the damage we have on the cab. Of course, other than that front bumper, which that'll be a quick swap and replace. I'm just trying to get a better deal than the dealership on one of those. And in the next episode, we're gonna jump on the bed and hopefully get that painted. So stay tuned for that. So if you did enjoy today's episode, be sure to drop a like. Also, give us a follow on Instagram at DannyTV and drop any suggestions you have down below. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.